Hey, Jeffrey, Howells Carpet Cleaning here. We're coming up to our next area rug, and it is 100% polyester, and it is a bit of a shag. Now, the when using steam cleaning techniques and things to clean carpeting, you have to be careful because sometimes, some carpets aren't supposed to get very wet. You need to make sure that they get dried properly, and you got to make sure that you use the right cleaning chemicals when cleaning. In this case, this one here has been in storage for a while. I did see some debris on it. Go ahead and use a vacuum cleaner with no beater brush on it because I don't want to be pulling fibers or weakening fibers on this thing. But because it is polyester, 100% polyester, I do know that because that polyester is 100% recycled plastic for the most part. The characteristics of polyester is that it dries extremely fast. It likes to resist liquids, and so we are going to be using an NCAP-based cleaning process on this to get this cleaned up. We will be rinsing it. We'll probably do some steam cleaning extraction at around maybe 200 psi, nothing real strong, and we will be using something like this this brush here for manual agitation. And what that will do is it'll allow us to control the agitation that we are applying to this rug so that we're not generating too much and pulling and weakening fibers. So that should get it good, nice and clean. I don't know what some of this yellowing is. I was told by the owner that there was some darkening fibers on one end, and that was just, the rug itself kind of came with that, I don't know, anomaly or whatever you want to call it. So go ahead and give us a real good clean and do our best job on it.